The personal statement is your opportunity to talk about you and why you want to enroll on a particular course. But it can be tricky to know how to structure the information, which is where the personal statement builder can really help. In this video, we will define the personal statement builder, its features, and how to use the personal statement builder to write your personal statement. Welcome to CareerEdu. Today, we are discussing how to use the personal statement builder to write your personal statement. What is the personal statement builder? The personal statement builder is designed to help you think about what to include in your personal statement and how to lay it all out. It also counts how many characters you've used, so it's easy to see when you're close to the 4,000 character limit. All you have to do is sign up via this link, ucas.com/dashboard. Here is the sign-up process. After you have visited the link, click on Register if you don't have an account. Then enter your email, your first name, last name, preferred password. Then confirm your password and agree to the terms and conditions. Thereafter, click on Register. You will be required to verify your account, check your email for the code sent to you by UCAS, then enter the code. If you have not received an email, you can request another code by clicking here. After entering the code, click on the Verify button. You will then be redirected to your UCAS account. It's time to set up the account. From these two options, select I am a student, then click on the Continue button. You will be asked where you live, select your country, and click on Continue. Then fill in the More Information About You section. Enter your date of birth, level of study you are interested in, opportunities you are interested in, and when you are planning to start uni, job, or apprenticeship. All these we are filling is to get access to the personal statement builder. When done, click on Continue. From this section here, connect to your school. Click on Skip or Connect later. The next section is to fill your interest. Enter the subject you are interested in, university and colleges you are interested in, which industry you are interested in, and click on Continue. Then select your preferences as regards opportunities for you, deals and offers for you, and click on Save. You have now created your UCAS account. Log out and log in by clicking on the Back to Sign In page button. After login, scroll down and find the section. Try our personal statement builder. Then click on it to start building your personal statement. The personal statement builder breaks down the content you need for your statement into 3 key areas. 1. Writing about the course. 2. Skills and achievements. 3. Work experience and future plans. Within each of those sections, there are questions to help you think of what to write. For example, in the first section, writing about the course, there are prompts like, why are you applying for the chosen course? Why does the subject interest you? The second section, about skills and achievements, will ask you to include things about the skills you have that'll help you, and any supporting evidence to back up why you're so excited about the course you have chosen, alongside other achievements you're proud of and/or positions of responsibility you've held. The final section will give you prompts to help you think about any work or voluntary experience you have and how you can relate that or the abilities you gained to the course you want to study. Once you've written your answers in the personal statement builder, you can preview and then export it as a PDF or copy and paste it into a Word document to save it using the built-in functionality. Use the personal statement builder to get you started. It'll help you reflect on why you're choosing that course and what you can offer as a prospective student, as well as how you can succinctly get that information across to the admissions tutor reading your application. To add, it has come to our notice that of all the persons who watch our videos, about 60% are not subscribed to our YouTube channel. If you are one of these people, we urge you to please subscribe now. Subscribing to this channel helps us and makes the YouTube algorithm bring up our videos to more people. We promise you that the more subscribers we have, we will keep bringing you better videos, loaded with even more interesting and free relocation information. Thank you so much. If you have questions, please leave a comment below. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to share with your friends and loved ones. Also, turn on the notification bell to be the first to know whenever we drop a new video. Please share this video.